Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Al Ashworth. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Lexus RX 350 all-wheel drive. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals, chrome window trim, roof rails, privacy glass, and much more. The 2013 Lexus RX 350 leads when it comes to providing a plush ride, a luxurious cabin, and everyday utility. This Lexus has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Lexus is in great condition. It is a very clear automatic headlamps with delay off along with fog lights, LED daytime running lamps, and a really nice grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 6-cylinder 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Lexus has full-time all-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 20 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget this Lexus only has 76,626 miles on it. At the back of the Lexus you can see the antenna, the rear spoiler, and the parking sensors, along with a large LED brake lamps and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it is very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo cover, a power outlet, cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice this Lexus has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrests with storage and cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice bird's eye maple wood interior trim. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. The driver's seat even has a memory feature. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Lexus is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power liftgate, the driver's seat memory, the power door locks with anti-lockout, and the power windows with jam protection and express up and down. This Lexus has a very comfortable power tilting and telescoping leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your entertainment and navigation features and is paired with 9 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with 6-disc in-CD changer. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has auto sound leveling. You also have a dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Now let's take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and makes backing up a breeze. Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. And again, thank you very much.